but not exactly like us, right? They don't talk for one thing.
Must have been an extra spice effect. The mutants are pretty wild.
Interesting to think there could be more ooze out there. Superfly made it sound like the last of it was destroyed in the fire at Baxter Stockman's lab.
Wait, hold up. We don't know how old they are? They could be from our same batch. Good point. Hey! Guys, we did it!
Why are we going into the theater?
No time for a movie now.
Relax, it's a shortcut. Besides, Leo, maybe you can bring April to a show after we find her.
Yeah, a horror show.
Oh, come on! Give me something to help!